How are you all? Today is Sunday, so maybe you all are busy, but today we have an event that's called Flutter extension boost your productivity. Sorry. So that is presented by Mr. Pratik Butani, and he is the Flutter and Android lead at 7span, and he is he have lots of experience in Android technology, and he is recently since 2020 he is working on Flutter also. So let's call Pratik Butani. Hello.
Hello.
I think your video is not showing. Video is not visible.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks.
Okay, good, good. Welcome to the Mr. Pratik. He is one of the best Android developer, and he is also my best friend also. And today he is uh, he will be giving session on Flutter extension, boost your productivity. Okay, so let's start, Pratik.
Okay. So, thank you, Nikunj, and thank you, GDG Surat, for inviting me and giving me this opportunity to share my knowledge. So, uh, since last 1 year, I'm working on Flutter, and I'm also having 6 years of experience in Android. So, I just have joined Seven Span recently, and there I have got some, many work on many projects. So in that I have tried to manipulate some extraordinary things using extensions, and I have also tried to uh, like save over time as a developer to code based and having a good uh, architecture with Flutter. So basically, not any prepared any slide, and I just want to share my practical knowledge in Flutter extension. So I start with my uh, practical session in live demo. In that, we will show how we can use Flutter extension in our project, in our Flutter project. So, uh, can you please share my screen? Yeah. Okay. So, basically, let me give introduction of Flutter extension. It is how we can use. So basically, what we are doing, like yeah, whenever we are creating our method or any functions for creating some like overriding some functionality to use in our project. So if we are using one method in many times in our project, then we can use that we can create that method in or one utility class. So let me create one method in this is my uh, this is my Flutter Scratch project, and in that what we are going to do, like uh, we are creating utils file for like me rename this. Okay. So, what exactly Flutter extension will do? Like whenever we are creating any methods or uh, any actions that we are calling in many times in our project, so we will define that in a function. But uh, Flutter extension is doing something like we can call like that providing many classes. So whenever we want to add some functionalities in predefined classes, then we can add methods but on that particular classes. So for example, if I am creating one method, basically what we are doing in Android and Flutter. So if I'm creating one method that is like a static method is valid name. So what it will do, like if I'm passing any string in that, so we will check that that name is valid or not. So uh, whatever we can whatever condition we can write here for it's valid or not, like return that name is. So name is contains like A to Z, then I can return uh, I can return true, or if that this condition will be false, then it will return false. So how we can call this, like whenever I require this. So this basic example, so something like if in this text I just want to use that method, and I will call like this utils dot is valid name, and if I will pass like Pratik, and it will return true or false. But let me create one dart file to use this demo properly. So I will create one demo.dart file for that, and here I will write main method. So we can call uh, directly this main method. So what it will do, if the string is valid, it will print true. And let me run this dart demo.dart. Okay, so it's returning me false. Okay, let me change the condition. Like, okay, and contains. Okay, let me put some. little bit condition to understand this flow. Name contains valid character. So uh, and name is length. You can get name's length is greater than 10. Okay. So here is I return Flutter. It's returning false. Flutter productivity. And it's returning true. But what we have done, basically what we are doing in our project or in our uh, uh, any application or Android or Flutter, we are doing we are creating one class and we are defining here uh, these type of methods that we are calling in uh, um, wherever we are want to use that we are calling. So what it will do basically if we are calling any method from any classes, then it's not uh, uh, covering oops concept. If we are using one class and in that we are calling a method from other classes, then maybe it's privacy and maybe it's reflect our data. So what we can do, we can create extension on string that will do that. String has many methods, and we can also add some our own methods in string class. So it will be like extension, the extended version of string class. So how we can create that extensions on string, particularly string. We can create extension on any classes or any wrapper classes that is provided by Dart. So let me create one example for a string, that how we can create extension on string. So let me comment this first. Okay, and here I am creating extensions on string. So what I will do, basically I will do this thing only, but I don't have to pass any string here. I just want to call on string directly. So how we can create extension? So that is providing extension keyword. So basically we can use like extension and my extension name, it is uh, string extension, and on which class we want to do extension. So we write our class string. So this is how we can create our extension. Now I will create a method in this. That is what we have created already. Uh, this one. So I don't have to pass this argument here. And what it will do, that string is already defined here. So I will get this that string in this object. So we can call like this dot length is greater than 10. Okay. Uh, Here we don't have to provide static keyword. We just have to write like this. And also Android Studio is going smarter day by day. So it's also giving me suggestion to remove this keyword from this expression. We can write also this way. Also we can remove this keyword, because the string will be understand itself by this method. String is given here, so that length will be automatically covered by the string only. So if I am uh, creating this function extension, so that will automatically uh, available in on any string. So let's take in here demo how we can use this uh, function is valid and so here we don't want to use another classes. So I remove this and this is string. This is our string. So I will use this string dot is valid name. So this method is available directly here. So we don't have to pass anything in any classes or any method. We will directly use this method here this way. And if I provide this get keyword, then I can remove this bracket also. So that will what it will do? It return blue. It will return boolean. So get keyword will return directly like this. That how we can use length. It will be same as this valid name also will be available in here. And let me run this. So it will return true same as previously written. So it's a string example. Basically, we can do any operation on in this method. Like if you want to uh, do something like this dot uh, uppercase is available. So uppercase is available, but I want to do camel case. So camel case is not available in our Dart in our string class. So we can create that camel class logic here, and we can use that directly over on any string. So like if you are having a big application and we are printing our name, person name, yeah, like many times we are printing person name. So we can use that function directly like this dot substring uh, 0 dot uppercase. Return string only. Let me run this. It will print first character in uppercase. So yeah, just get first letter uppercase. So let me just run this thing. Okay. So okay. So okay. Screen. Okay. Zero and comma one because it's taking by default its length. So zero to its length, but I want first letter only. So now it will print F. So like this, we can do uh, our actions, like this way, and we can extend this method on overall whole project. So that will be like an extended method for string. That is also we can create on integer also. Like we can create extension on integer also. So this is how we can use extension in any like any method we can create our code like this way, and we can use this in any string or any integer uh, value. So this is basic way that we can create extension. But what if you want to use like widgets in like extension? So we can also use widget. We can create widgets in extension. We can define we can create our any widgets in extension, and we can use that widget in any file of our project. So let me create one demo of widget also. If I'm going to create one widget, simply we can create like extension text widget. Widget. So here I have to import material. And so if you want to custom widget, okay. So now if you want to call any method on any widget, is how we can what we can do in this. Let me check once. Uh, Give one example on this. So what do we do? Like if I have a column here and in center, we are printing here uh, text. Okay, and container and taking and that what I'm doing container simply replicate 100 height of 100 color is color stroke. Yeah. Okay, so what it will do, let me run this project on my device. Okay, it will take some time to run. Let me explain what we are going to do. So if in this column, if I want to do like so already in center in column we have given an axis element center, but I also want to align this widget. Like if this widget I want to print in top center left side, uh, center start and center end. So we wrap this widget with alignment. I think align is okay. And alignment I'm giving alignment, which is taking alignment geometry. I think. Okay. Alignment is start center left. Okay. So see this here we are getting suggestions to add constant and const. Uh, why we are using const keyword before widget? Like this text widget will be not will not change any value after the build method will call once. So this const will be added, and also we have one suggestion is const here align. So align is also will be not changed after after the build method will be called once. So This is the suggestion given by Android Studio. This is that what I have told. This Android Studio is getting smarter day by day. So the align is given here. And also I want to give align here, and there I will give alignment center and center right. Okay. So this is what I want to give alignment. Given here also. Now okay. So what it will do? Um, it checks on once it's installing. So basically, what I want to do, is, I will create one widget, one extension method on this alignment, and I will call that alignment directly uh, in this widget. So let's check how we can use that alignment on any widget. How we can use this align keyword to any widget. So basically, what I will do is I will create align widget here. So let me just copy this one. Okay, and I want to create. I have to create the method like align left. Uh, there. So what I will do, align keyword. Here I will return this keyword. Okay. I will return this widget, but what I will do with this align keyword. So my child will be the widget which I have passed. Or using that widget, I will call that alignment. So I created one align keyword, and in that I have passed the child. So whenever I will create, whenever I will call any method, uh, align left method uh, uh, for any widget, then it will be automatically aligned to center left. And same as we can create align right. So in that, that will be center right, and what I will pass that widget. So yeah, it's taking too much time to run. So basically, what we can do, we say, and if you are getting stuck or if you are not understanding this what we are doing, you can comment on the video. So that how we will this way. Like I will remove this align from here, and I will just uh, see here it's available suggestion like align left and align right. So I will call this align left so that the activity will be automatically will not align because text is changing. Okay. So here this child will be directly goes to here, that align widget will be removed. So this is how we can use extension method on widgets also. Uh, okay, so let's don't waste time and let me share one more thing that it will be also helpful to you. Like we have many plugins available on Android Studio. So I have installed some useful plugins uh, like Flutter enhancement suite or Flutter pop version checker, so that we can use for plugins like whenever we are installing any plugins in pop file. So that you can also use for your project. Like whenever we want to add any dependency here. So what we are doing, like we are searching the dependency on Google and we'll copy and paste that thing here. But we can use that directly. We can Android Studio is hanging my PC. It's it's hang my PC. Let me sorry for inconvenience. My Android Studio was, you know that it's too much. Uh, yeah. Let me say, let me run first. So I am using this plugin also. I think you may also know this plugin. Like we can use LED Wi-Fi and we can connect directly our device over Wi-Fi. Uh, I think many developers know this. You may also know this. Okay, so it's connected and we run first. Okay, so what I'm telling is something like in PubSpec file, what we can do like if I want to add some repository like this enter is talking like see. So here I'm getting suggestion on Cupertino icons like what are the dependency available. Uh, it will automatically update the dependency. Also, we can do like if you want to add some dependency like uh, rx dot. So if I will type rx dot, it will automatically add this dependency. It will be suggested automatically added. Like if I'm writing version 0.0.1, so it will suggest what version is latest. So it's suggesting me like which version is available right now. So if I will update, it automatically take a newer version here, and we can use this dot rx dot here. So we can add any dependency over here from pub.dev. So, so okay. So apart from that, um, what if I we will create extension with same name or same method. So that is also we can do something like string extension is also having a file like string one. This is just I'm giving demo for if we are having same name on same extension, but the functionality is different. And what we can do. So let me copy this file, and give name second. So this both one has same name and same extension, but what I will do like 0 to 5, that will be up, convert the string uppercase to from 0 to 5 line. So how we can use this same uh, extension name on our string. So if I will import here like okay. So I will import here string extension one dot and import string extension second. So it will be conflict like which class will be useful to this string. So there will be conflict. Uh, so we can what we can do like if we are hiding, we can use hide keyword after import statement, and we can like use this string extension class. The class will be hide for uh, this class only. And if you want to use both the class, then what we can do like if I am using flutter dot get for guess what I want to use this one uh, for string extension second and string extension first. And what we can do string extension uh, something like this. So, okay. is is second. So I use here first dot string extension, and here you can use second dot string extension. But you can see that string extension is not available because it's hidden from here. So we can remove this. And sorry, bracket is missing. What will happen if hiding string extension? Yeah, it will give error on string extension. It is hidden, so we can't use this. But if you want to use this, you can remove that hide keyword. Okay, so this is also one example for conflicts, and whenever we are having same name and same method with a different functionality, so we can use like this. If you want to use both, or we can hide one, but this statement is not. If we will not import this, then we can also use the uh, we will use this function extension of this string extension of string extension one file only. So, uh, but if we are importing both, and we have to use both files, then we can do like this way. We can define alias of that import statement. We can use this one. So, what I will do, I will share this demo on GitHub, so you can use from GitHub, and you can run on your machine, because my machine is getting stuck. It's installing. Why it's still installing this? Still, still installing. Okay, so I hope you got the Flutter extension, how we can use these, and what we can do with these extensions. So you can also create validation functions on any type of wrapper classes like string and integers. So like email and password and all those things. So you can also put the email condition here, and you can just have to put like is valid email. So it will create available on any string, and anywhere you can use is valid email or not. So something like this, you can use Flutter extensions to increase your productivity, or improve your code structures. So this is what I want to share. I have to share about Flutter extensions. Uh, that's it from my side. If you have any question, or if you want to share anything, you can share in comment section. And also you can reach me out on my social media profiles. So right now, if you have any question, I'm online for 5 to 10 minutes. You can comment out on the video. I tried tried to last time to run this application. I don't know why it's I have problem in installing. But I'll share this project on GitHub. Let me share just one second. Okay, let me clean first. So it will load some unnecessary file. Now let me upload this. Okay, so GDG Surat example is created, and you can just check Pratik 7 span says GDG Surat. I have uploaded this repository. You can run and check that example of our column part, like what we have done in this. Uh, okay, so that's it from my side. If you have any question, you can share me. Uh, okay, thank you everyone. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you, Pratik. Thank you for your time and wonderful session about the Flutter extension. So it helps developer to increase their productivity. So I hope, folks, you got some interesting knowledge and information about the Flutter extension. So thank you, Pratik, and thank you all. Uh, so we are concluding here the session. So see you in the next session. Goodbye. Thank you, Pratik.
Yeah. Thanks.